Okay, so pay attention here. As you can see, the chessboard's looking pretty good. Except we face one problem. I know is I stuffed up right here. See that? Must have been sleeping on the job. I hadn't had much sleep. Remember, always to sleep is a thing that you have to correct. It's easy to correct by getting plenty of sleep. I hadn't had much water intake for a couple of days, and I didn't even notice it until 10 minutes later. It just doesn't happen to me. So now we have to fix it. Okay, so it's as easy as sanding it down here until it meets here perfectly. The good news is it hasn't gone past the flush here. Okay, so we just have to sand all that down or rusper it or something like that. Back in a moment. Okay. Okay, so what we've done here is that this machine is a saw where it cuts. It's a motor saw, a handmade motor saw. Okay, so here, machine. It's already got a piece of wood here. There's a 45 here. Bolted on, it was already in there. So we put this in here to keep it steady here, so we can rusper it. You can have it on a bench, you can have it anywhere you want. It doesn't have to be on a machine like this. It can be anywhere where you can steady it. You also put this in here, keep this down, okay? And we need the other hammer, but this one will do. Okay, we just stick in here, just stay in here. So now that closes the gap here and tightens it up. Okay? So now what we do is we rustle that steady as come here, and before we rustle that, we've got a nail here sticking out. So we can't rustle that just yet because the nail's in the way. Okay, it's just stuff up our rusper. So what we do is we get a punch, okay, if you can find one, a hammer. You need a heavy hammer because this is a 3-inch nail. And what we do is we punch that in, that nail in. Okay, hopefully we don't stuff up everything this time. Okay. Okay. Screw on a little bit, and it won't go anymore. Okay. Bang that in a bit more. Bang it in there like that. Okay. So now there's other nails, but we're not going to touch them. Okay, we'll come up and we'll just rustle it, starting from here, going this way. As you can see, this moves here. So you might just take this and put it here. Okay. We need to find a way to make that steady. Okay. Put that here. Okay, it should be fine. Okay. Just come in here. Now we're ready to rustle it. Just steady. So here, the good piece on this side is where we've got to level that, this one, the other one. So come here, it's pretty much level. Come up here. And just follow like this. just muster it. Okay. Muster it like that. We bring this on this side, I think. Bring this here. Okay. Come in here. And then we go on the other side. Okay. And we'll just keep doing this until we get it level. It's almost there. We'll do the rest of it behind the scenes. So we'll be back for more in a moment. Okay, so we just continue here. Just anything like that. Careful with these nails here, it doesn't damage this. So there's a nail there, but the problem is not with the nail, the problem is over here, a little bit, not much. So we just fix it here. Okay, so now we get something, we'll get the electric sand. Just be with me for a moment. Just one moment, I'll be there in a second. Okay, just connecting the sander. You come in here like this. Put that in more. It's come off. Okay. Wash that always. I can't even bother setting up on a bench or anything, so I just put it here. Okay, so this is very good to do it this way. times better. Okay, 1,000 times better. As the camera can see that. Okay, here we might need to putty it a little bit, but apart from that, it's pretty good. I have to straighten it a little bit. Repaired. You just have to putty it a little bit here, as I said before. We've got to do this side as well, and this side, okay? So now we'll be back in a moment. Okay, so we clean the table. Okay, make sure it's reasonably clean. Okay, just over here. Doesn't matter about in there. Just over here. Doesn't matter about there or there. For now, until we clean up the whole table for cleaning purposes. But for now, for this job, it just has to be here. Okay. So we'll take this and bring it in here. Okay. We take this and bring it in here. Okay. And here it's got a gap, as you can see. Take this and maybe put it in here this time. And lock it in there. Okay. That's locked. It's not going to go anywhere. Hopefully, it won't go anywhere. To secure that, we just G-clamp it. Okay. That may come off, but the G-clamp's here. If that comes off here, we just put it back in. Okay, so it comes here, keep an eye out on that. Okay, back in a moment. Okay, so here we get the rasper. And come here. This is going to wobble. So this is going to wobble like this. It'll come here. Maybe on the other side. No, we'll stick to this side. Okay, put it back in. Okay. And we do that behind the scenes. Okay, so I listed on sanding again. Once we do it more on the rasper, there's a little bit more to do on the rasper. We have actually or you can sand it from now if you like, if you haven't got a rasper. I mean, there's a lot of sanding to do if you haven't got one. But so we do that behind the scenes. Okay, and be back in a moment. Okay, so we do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and there you have it. Take care. God be with you all. and bless you. There'll be yet another video shot in to varnish it again, because we've sanded it over, okay? So we've got to varnish it again, a few coats, and between coats we sand it, okay? So stay tuned, take care.